Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to share the cost of gypsum false ceiling designs and which are the best brands of gypsum board and points to consider before installing the gypsum false ceiling. So let's get started. Gypsum false ceilings are a popular choice for modern interiors due to their versatility and functionality. It has some beautiful advantages like first one is the aesthetic appeal, second fire resistance, third for sound insulation, fourth thermal insulations, and it is ease of installation. A gypsum boards offer a smooth, polished finish can be molded into various designs such as circular motifs, geometric patterns or layered styles. Elegance of any room, even they can be paired with the wallpaper, textures, finishes for a customization look. These are the some beautiful advantages. So friends, now I'm going to discuss about the price. So for a simple designs like example peripheral or flat designs, the price starts from 55 rupees to 80 rupees per square feet, while integrated designs like layer, geometric or vaulted can range from 100 to 150 rupees per square feet. Actually, the cost of gypsum false ceilings in India varies based on factors like location, design's complexity, board thickness, brand, and additional features like lighting, insulations. There may be a location variations like price may vary by 10 to 15% across the cities due to differences in labor and material cost. So now we'll take some example like for 10 by 10 room which is 100 square feet. So a basic gypsum false ceiling might cost 5,500 to 8,000 rupees, while a premium designs with lighting could reach 12,000 to 15,000 rupees. It is everything included like finishing with texture paint or laminates. It will cost you 10 rupees to 30 rupees per square feet, and another material which is lighting like LED strips, curve lighting or recess lighting which will add 25 to 40 rupees per running feet. And there are different types of thickness in the boards like 9 mm, 12 mm and 15 mm. Like thicker boards like example 15 mm cost more, better durability and sound insulation. So friends, now I'm going to see which are the best brands for gypsum board. Like first Saint Gobain, Gypsum, USB Boral, Decor, Share Armstrong. These are the some good brands are available in the market. So friends, once again I am repeating that price may vary by 10 to 15% across the cities due to difference in labor and material costs. And there are some important points to consider before installing the gypsum false ceiling. So always check your room height. Ensure at least 6 to 8 inches of clearance from the main ceiling to avoid the cramp feel, because low ceilings may require minimal designs like peripheral or island ceilings. And always check the weight capacity. Gypsum is not as steady as wood or metal, so avoid hanging heavy chandeliers or furniture unless reinforced with the plywood or strong metal frames. Another point to consider is the design complexity, like simple designs save cost and time, while integrated ones require skilled labors and increase the expenses. So choose based on budget and aesthetics. Another point to consider is the lighting and wiring. So plan for recessed lights, LED strips or curve lighting during installation to hide the wiring and aesthetics. Like ensure electrical layouts are finalized before starting. Another point is the insulation needs. So pair the gypsum with the foam, rock wool or fiberglass for better thermal and acoustic insulation, especially in noisy or extreme climates. And always check the quality of material. So option for the reputed brands like I told you in this Gypsum, USG Boral, Armstrong, to ensure the durability and minimal water retention, because low quality boards may sag or develop the mold. And for installing the gypsum board, hire the experienced contractors for precise framing and finishing to avoid the cracks or uneven surface. Check for proper alignment using the laser levels and adequate screw spacing 12 to 16 inches. And one of the most important point to consider is the budget. So account for materials, labor, lighting and finishing cost. Compare with gypsum with alternatives like POP or PVC. But nowadays gypsum false ceiling has become the more popular choice, and it is budget friendly also. And gypsum false ceiling will give your room a premium look. Another point to consider is the maintenance. Gypsum requires a minimal upkeep, needs protection from water leaks. Plan for periodic repainting or repair to maintain the appearance of the gypsum false ceiling designs. And in climate for in humid areas, ensure the proper sealing and ventilation. Avoid gypsum in spaces with frequent water exposure unless using the specialized moisture resistant boards. In humid areas, always use moisture resistant boards. Gypsum contains a chemically bound water like calcium sulfate dihydrate, making it non-combustible in case of fire. It releases steam, slowing fire spread and providing the safety. Fire resistant gypsum boards are ideal for homes and commercial spaces also. Gypsum ceiling absorb the sound, reducing noise transmission between rooms. They are perfect for homes near busy roads or office requiring the privacy, creating a quieter environment. So friends, these are the some points you can consider and make a beautiful gypsum false ceiling design. So in this video, I will share how much it will cost for making the gypsum false ceiling designs, which are the best brands, and how much thickness we have to use for the gypsum board, and points to remember before installing the false ceiling designs. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make a beautiful gypsum false ceiling designs. If you like this video, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.